How to make your first 1 crore in 2025 strategies for massive wealth. Imagine waking up every morning knowing that you're on your way to becoming a billionaire in 2025. Not by luck, but by smart strategies and consistent action. Sounds exciting, right? In this video, I will reveal powerful and proven ways to help you make your first 1 crore rupees in 2025. Watch till the end, because every strategy could be the game changer you need. Brilliant wealth isn't about shortcuts, it's about strategic planning and smart execution. Whether you're a student, a working professional, or an entrepreneur, these methods can be tailored to fit your journey to financial freedom. Let's break down step by step how you can achieve this massive milestone. Strategy 1. Start a profitable online business. Identify trending niches like health, personal finance, or tech gadgets. Launch a dropshipping store or sell digital products with minimal upfront investment. Use social media marketing, Instagram, TikTok, YouTube, to scale sales. Example: Aman started a gadget store in 2023 and hit 50 lakh in sales by 2024. Strategy 2. High-income skills. Learn skills like digital marketing, web development, and copywriting. Offer freelancing services on platforms like Upwork, Fiverr, and LinkedIn. Upskill constantly to increase your hourly rate. Example: Sarah mastered copywriting and now earns over 5 lakh per month. Strategy 3. Real estate investments. Start small with rental properties or invest in REITs, real estate investment trusts. Focus on areas with high growth potential. Use rental income and property appreciation to grow your wealth. Example: Ravi invested in rental apartments in 2023 and now earns passive income monthly. Strategy 4. Stock market and mutual funds. Learn fundamental and technical analysis. Start with SIPs in mutual funds and gradually invest in stocks. Focus on long-term growth sectors like technology and green energy. Example: Priya invested consistently in stocks and grew her portfolio to 30 lakh in 2 years. Strategy 5. Create digital assets. Start a YouTube channel, blog, or online course. Monetize with ads, affiliate marketing, and sponsorships. Focus on evergreen content for continuous passive income. Example: John launched a finance YouTube channel and earns 10 lakh annually from ads. Bonus tip: network with successful people. Attend seminars, webinars, and business meetups. Surround yourself with people who inspire and motivate you. Learn from mentors who've already achieved what you want. Your first crore isn't just a dream, it's a goal within your reach. By applying these strategies and staying consistent, 2025 could be the year you change your financial future forever. If you're ready to start this journey, hit that subscribe button and turn on the notifications so you never miss powerful strategies like these. Comment below which strategy you'll start with, and let's make 2025 your most successful year yet.